Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari after kong ma-upload to. Pero yesterday nag-open up ako sa inyo about having a hard time of thinking if I should upload the vlog. I just asked for 100 people and this is 500 comments. And the views is 222,000 views. 4 years na ako dito and I know what should just be uploaded, pero alam ko na sometimes kailangan mong maging totoo and kailangan mong maging authentic, and kung nangyari talaga sa vlog, kailangan siyang isama. And kayo nang bahala. I actually don't know kung ano yung mangyayari after this, but kagabi hanggang madaling araw in every possible way, gustong gusto ko na talaga siyang matapos, and I was editing up until 4 a.m. Then I suddenly saw na parang nasa 70% pa lang ako, pero 35 minutes na. This will be a movie. And alam ko na pag pinanood nyo to, you will not feel that you're watching, but you will feel that you are